Hello, everyone, and welcome to Season of Agents, a virtual event dedicated to exploring the dynamic world of intelligent agents, automation, and the future of AI powered productivity. Today, we are delighted to welcome Saisha Goel, who is a summer intern at Mishka Productions, as our expert speaker, inviting Saisha to take on and start with her session for the day.
Hello, Sudhanshu. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Hi everyone. Welcome to my session. One prompt, many possibilities, agentic magic with Azure AI. So, let me share my screen. Sudhanshu, is my screen visible? Uh, can you just get a heads up?
Yes, sorry, Sasha.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, hello everyone, welcome to my session on one prompt, many possibilities, agentic magic with Azure AI. So today I'm excited to share with you all how we can leverage Microsoft Copilot Studio to create powerful AI agents with just a few simple prompts. So before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Saisha Goel. I'm currently working as an AI researcher at Mishka Technologies and consultant, and I am very really passionate for AI technologies. Like many of you, I'm fascinated by how accessible AI development has become. And today also marks my first speaker session, so I'm really thrilled to get this opportunity. Let's see the agenda for today. So today we are going to discuss what are AI agents. Then I'm going to tell you the art of prompting, basically what is prompting. Then we are going to discuss Microsoft Copilot Studio, and we are going to see some features of Microsoft Copilot Studio. And then my favorite part, we are going to have a live demo. We are going to build a student resource assistant. So what are AI agents? So AI agents, as the name suggests, agents, basically think of them as digital employees or assistants that can decide and act on their own. They follow goals, understand your commands, and adjust based on the feedback. Basically, they are autonomous, they are interactive, they are purposeful as they are designed to achieve specific goals. They are context aware and they keep learning and improving. Now, we have primarily four types of AI agents: conversational agents, task oriented agents, recommender agents, and virtual assistants. So, conversational agents are your typical text and talk bots, basically, which are used in customer support or FAQs. They understand your natural language, they remember the context, and they talk like humans. And now, task oriented agents. Basically, these are action takers like scheduling bots. They follow structure step and actually do things for you, like assistance, booking your appointments, and etc. Now, recommender agents. So, ever, I'm sure you all wonder how Netflix knows, like, you guys love thriller or uh, romantic movies. That's these guys. They analyze your behavior and recommend stuff you like. Now we have virtual assistants. Basically, they combine the multiple capabilities to help you with various tasks like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants. So they can talk, they can act, and they can even tell you jokes. Now, let's talk about the art of prompting, basically, the real superpower prompting. So, prompting is basically how you communicate with AI. It's like writing a movie script where you define the character, which is the AI's role, then the story, like what the AI can do or cannot do, and the tone, which parameter like formal tone, funny tone, helpful tone, etc. So that is why prompting is an art, and it's not just instructions. A strong prompt is equal to a strong AI experience. So, yeah, today we are going to see the art of prompting, and we are going to see how, by a single prompt, you can create a whole functional AI agent for you. Now, the best part, which is Microsoft Copilot Studio, with the whole session, which is wow. So, yeah, Microsoft Copilot Studio is a low code. It's a low code, no code platform that enables anyone to build, test, and deploy intelligent AI powered conversational agents. So basically, even if you can't code a single line, you can create an AI agent there. So, why is it revolutionary? No programming expertise needed. It shortens your development time. It builds in days instead of months, and easy integration. You can integrate your AI agent with Microsoft 365 Teams or Dynamics and more. So now the best part here is just how your Microsoft Copilot Studio looks, your agent your way. Now the demo time. Let's create an AI agent. So this is the official website of the Microsoft Copilot Studio. Here you can just click try for free, enter your college ID or company ID, and you can access Microsoft Copilot Studio for free. So this is what the platform looks like. We have the home page, which consists of different agents. We have learning resources. We have the documentation of the Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then we have a free Copilot Studio workshop, which you can check out after this session. Then we have the create option. And from here, we are going to create a new agent today from scratch. We can also create agents from templates. Here are some pre-built templates available. You can just replace your prompt with the already given prompt in this, like I've clicked right now. So you can see, you can just create your custom instructions here from Copilot. We are going to use Copilot as a prompt engineer today to create good prompts for a Copilot, Microsoft Copilot Studio. So yeah, that's it. Then we have agents. Here, basically, it's going to show you different agents you have created. Right now, I've not created any agent, so it's not showing anything. It's going to take some time to load. So now we have agent flows. Basically, agent flows is where you can connect your AI agent with the Microsoft Power Platform. Basically, the AI agent can interact with external APIs, URLs, and SharePoints, basically documents. Then we have library, where all your reusable stuff comes, the code snippets, the environment, the variables, and etc. So yeah, now let's create an AI agent. I'm gonna click on new agent. So I've already prompted something. I'm just going to copy this and I've pasted. I've already done some work for you, so to reduce the work. So yeah, we've just copied the same prompt here, and it has generated us a pretty good system prompt to create a student resource assistant in Copilot Studio. So today we are going to create a student resource assistant, which will help students in providing study materials, explaining basic concepts, and basically recommending effective learning strategies. So it has created a pretty good prompt, as you can see. We are just going to copy this prompt here. and we are going to paste it. Let's see what comes. So it has determined a name for my student resource assistant, which is Study Buddy. So I'm going to go with this name only. If you want to change the name of your assistant, you can, but I'm just going to type yes. So now it's asking me to refine the instructions for Study Buddy. Basically, what Study Buddy should do. Can you provide more details? So I have already created a prompt for that using Microsoft Copilot as usual, Microsoft 365 Copilot. There is the prompt, and I'm just going to copy this prompt. So it's asking me to add any publicly accessible website as data resource. Now, as we are building the AI agent from just a single prompt and not actually integrating any knowledge base, we are going to say no. And as you can see, the step is optional. So as you can see, our agent is now set up. This is the name of our agent, Study Buddy. It's a friendly, supportive, and concise student resource assistant. It's going to uh, give us expertise in mathematics, computer science, study skills, and English and writing. And it's going to provide study materials, explaining concepts concisely, and recommending learning strategies. And this is the key actions and behaviors. Now, as our agent is set up, we are just going to create. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now our study buddy is set. Now let's just explore what happened. As you can see, this overview tab here, all the details of the AI agent are mentioned. There's a description of the AI agent, then we have general instructions, then we have the topics. Let's just click on one topic and see. Basically, topics are the core component of our AI agent. As you can see, you have to just describe what this topic can do. As the topic name is goodbye, it's just going to handle queries like these, bye bye for now, as you can see. So this is the infrastructure. Then we have knowledge. As I said, if I want to add any knowledge resource, if I want to add any particular URLs, if I want to add any data, if I want to add any files to improve my AI generated responses of my AI agent, I can do that. But right now, as we are just exploring a simple prompt, so we are not going to add any knowledge source. These are general instructions I've mentioned as I mentioned in my prompt. Actions is basically if we want our AI agent to perform a particular task, like anything, if we want our AI agent to give us a particular response for a particular task. So that is actions. Then activity is Basically, when we publish our agent and it is being used, we can see our activity here. Or the if the we are testing our agent and the agent starts a session, we are going to see the activity of our agent here. Then analytics is basically the dashboard where we can track the performance of our agent when it is published on any channel. And channel is basically you can publish your agent on your website, Slack, on Teams, anywhere. So yeah, now our agent is ready. Let's say hello. Saying hello, how can I help you today? So I'm going to ask, suggest me some learning resources for Python. It's going to take some time. As you can see, it has given us some great resources. I'm just going to show you this. As you can see, it has given us some online courses from Coursera, EDX, Udemy, some interactive platforms, some books, and even websites and documentations, some YouTube channels also. And it has given us study techniques also. And it has also given us an example problem walkthrough. So as you can see, it has given us quite a response from just one prompt, which I generated again from Microsoft 365 Copilot. As you can see, here is what we gave the prompt to the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So you can see how a single prompt can do such work for you. Now let's write suggest me some ways to study better, make notes better. It generates. As it's going to take some time to generate. So it has generated us quite a response. Let's see. So here are some effective study techniques and note-taking methods to help you improve your learning process. We have spaced repetition, active recall, which is a very common method. We have Pomodoro technique, which is also a very common method. We have mind mapping, this is also a very common method. Feynman technique, I'm sure most of you know what is the Feynman technique. Then we have note-taking methods. Then additional tips also it has given us. So it has given us quite a response. So as you can see, the power of a single prompt. Now back to our PPT. Now, as we come to an end of the session, before we wrap up, so here are a few key takeaways from the session. Basically, as you can see, one well-crafted prompt can lead to 1,000 conversations. Then, as you can see, you don't need to code to build powerful AI solutions with tools like Copilot Studio. AI is for everyone, and prompting is more important than you think. It's like basically a blueprint for your AI. Then AI agents are here to help us, not replace us, of course. And basically, here your creativity is more important than your technical skills. So, yeah. Before ending this session, I want you guys to explore the official Microsoft Copilot Studio documentation, which is very nice. You can see what's new in the Microsoft Copilot Studio. What is Microsoft Copilot Studio? Please check this out. This is the link. Or you can just type official Microsoft Copilot Studio documentation, or from home, you can check out the Microsoft Copilot Studio documentation here. Then also, I want to tell you about an amazing platform, which is Microsoft Learn. Basically, Microsoft Learn. It's an amazing platform to learn about Microsoft technologies, and it has amazing training paths, and you can also earn good badges. As you can see, you can have a lot of badges. I'm currently on level 8, so you can see that. And now coming back to our Microsoft Copilot Studio, this is a small Microsoft Learn course. It's a module which you can complete. It has some learning paths, and it is part of a course. Just create and publish agents with Microsoft Copilot Studio. It has a lot of modules in this learning path. It has get started with Microsoft Copilot Studio, which you were looking at, build an initial agent with Microsoft Copilot Studio. We can manage topics in Microsoft Copilot Studio, which we didn't discuss about in this session because of the time crunch. And then we have working with entities and variables. As I told you that the library feature in Microsoft Copilot Studio, where you can store all the repetitive stuff. Then we have enhanced Microsoft Copilot Studio agents. As you can see, we can enhance our study buddy by adding external knowledge sources in it, and more topics. Right now we only have goodbye, greeting, start over, thank you. We can add more topics. We can add specific topics if the user asks beyond the prompt, basically beyond the topic, then we can use this feature. Then we have build effective agents with Microsoft Copilot Studio, and this learning path ends here. So after this session, you can check this out and earn super cool Microsoft badges. So, yeah, that's it from my side today. I hope you all enjoyed the session. And thank you so much for such an engaging session. And if you're curious, you can go try Copilot Studio. As I said, you can use your college ID or your currently working company ID, and you can sign up for Copilot Studio. And then if you build something, you can tag me. I'd love to see it. So, yeah. So keep prompting and keep building.
Okay, thank you so much, Saisha, for this insightful session. And thanks to all the attendees and the viewers who joined us for this exciting season of Agents session. Now it's your time to discover, build, and shape the future together. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Thank you for your time, Saisha.